Now, see, horses are kind of small, but they often let out a huge, giant neigh sound. So, let me hear you neigh. Yeah, amazing. You've done this before, I can tell. And here, we have the wild lionfish. Now, lionfish are known for their ferocious when the water roars. So, let me hear you roar. Yeah, okay. I have an idea. Every time I say, let's hear your fishy clippers. I want everyone to make those great fishy sounds, okay? Let's hear your fishy clippers. Yeah, that's fantastic, folks. Well done. Ooh, it's me. How about from there? Stand by. Butch Perkins here, reporting live from Gilligan. And it's here that Hammerlane News is on a search for a new dancing star. Let's hear your fishy clippers. Yeah, as you can see, fish are landing up here really good because that's right, folks. Our new dancing star is going to be entertaining everyone at a huge, gargantuan, hot lagoon party, and everyone is invited. Let's hear your fishy clippers. Yeah, I'm going to leave you right there on the edge of your class. This has been Butch Perkins live from Gilligan. Back to the studio. People, you've heard it, you're all invited to our little party. So, when you say we don't practice our dance moves, would you like that? Yeah, I'm gonna see everyone dancing and singing along. Won't it there, folks? Look who's coming to help us practice. It's SpongeBob SquarePants! I wonder if you could be our new dancing star. It's me again, stand by. Butch Perkins here, still recording live from Gilligan. Yes, I cannot confirm that our Shaggy out there is ready for a party, and they're featuring off some really awesome moves. Especially these guys over here. Great job, Seahorse, you really know how to sweat. That was sweet stuff, Crawfish. Okay, this party is gonna rock. But for now, I must search for the start of the party. Who's got the moves and groups that entertain our guests? Today to find out, he's having Butch Perkins live from Gilligan. Back to the studio. Hey folks, I gotta go find us a star. See you soon.
Bible knows you need music to dance.
Oh, I got music, man. In my mind. Oh, I love this song. Here I go.
party. And I think you have the desert to go all the way.
You like my dancing?
Oh, sure do. Your rhythm is back on coconut. You are, as we say in the business, stupendous. Yeah. And now I got the good things officially. So, I'm inviting you to a super official important audition tomorrow. If you get picked, and I know that you will because I'm not inviting anyone else, you'll get to dance Barfish Islands out there. Let's hear your music, please, yeah. Okay, enough jumping around in excitement. I gotta go tell the studio we have another star.
Would you please stop dancing?
No, I didn't stop dancing afterward. I had a practice for my big reservoir.
You gotta dance on it.
That's right. Don't have to practice as much as I can before tomorrow.
If you guys are dance artists, first thing about the subtle intricacies of the dance. Once.
We agree. SpongeBob don't know nothing about the art form that is dance. Not like us. Sorry, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Octavius Rex, otherwise known as Long Tan and Handsome. And these are the Anchovies. And we should be the dancing stars of the Goo Lagoon party, not SpongeBob. But now SpongeBob has stolen our dream, practicing his clumsy sponge steps over and over again. He can practice and practice, but he'll still bump around the dance floor like overinflated goldfish.
Yeah. You just have to practice till he's one. When he does, I'll be there all the way to turn it up and ready to show my stuff.
Brilliant! And we can help you rehearse with SpongeBob. We'll rehearse him so much that he drops to the bottom of the ocean. Then, once he's out of the way, we'll become your backup dancers. Together, we'll make the greatest ocean motion dance troupe the sea has ever seen. So, do we have a deal?